sir, and happy Friday to everybody. I just got out of the barber shop. Man, got the mohawk freshed up and ready to go. Guys, I am about to jump in the garage. We're gonna strip the bike down. Gonna get over to JLA's Choppers, guys. I've got some things that we're gonna customize with that 2015 Road Glide, so stay tuned. All right, I am in the garage right now, my favorite place to be. You know that. Hey, we're gonna do a couple things to the Road Glide right now. Gonna show you guys how to continue to customize those bikes on a budget and make it look amazing. I'm gonna pull off this console and this fuel door right here. We're gonna take it to JLA's Choppers. We're gonna get it sprayed. It's gonna be wet, gonna look crazy. But guys, you definitely need to learn how to take these console covers off. If you ever need to take the gas tank off or you ever need to make repairs, this is something that you need to do. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It is not just for the Road Glide, but all touring Harley-Davidson models, Street Glide, Road Glide, Electra, all the guys like that. So pay attention. Let's get after it. Let's go. So I've just took the seat off, and what we're gonna do next, guys, and I'm gonna show you, and I'm gonna zoom in there really quick. Hopefully I'm gonna swing the camera around so you can get a good look at it. And guys, you can see right there, that screw right there. All I'm gonna do is take this Allen wrench, and it always helps to have that extended neck like that. It'll be able to get right down in there. And if you guys can see that, I'm just gonna turn that a couple notches. And as you see, that comes right out. So I'm gonna take that bolt off and I'll be right back. Next up, fellas, you can see that there's that bolt right there connecting that console to the body of the bike. I'm just gonna use a 10mm ratchet, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop that out. And it's fairly easy, so just get it out, couple snaps, and it is ready to go. So let's go ahead and pull that out and let's keep it moving. All right, so everything is prepped and we are ready to go. Fellas, before you take this console cover off, make sure that you unscrew the gas cap off. That is crucial. You will try to pull this apart, you won't be able to get it off. Take the gas cap off, fellas. All right, once that gas cap is off, you just take your hands underneath and you lightly pry it up. Guys, you see it is coming right off there, easily and ready to go. Now, once you get it off of there, there are some connections on the back. Give you a close look at exactly what I am doing right here, just to get a good look at it. So as you see, these hooks right here, they just hold the line in. So all I did was bend that little lever up. I just bent that one up, and you see they come right out. And you see right there, that is just attached to the gas tank right there. You just pull that out, and it is just attached right there with that little bit of a rubber band right there. See that? Comes right off. And your console cover is ready to go. All right, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. I am about to get in the gym. It is early in the morning. Gonna get a great workout and start this day off the right way. Got a great day planned for you, so stay with your boy. Let's go. Welcome back to the channel, Big Burns Moto Life. Hustle and muscle every day. It is leg day, the best day. It is also the best day to introduce my new 330 Muscle Lab gear. Guys, it is awesome. You see the pullover, the soft pullover with the black encased there, loving it right there. Fellas, this is all about you out there representing yourself, getting that work, no matter what you do in life. It's my set. Lace Choppers, my guy who does all my work for me. Hey, if you are looking for a painter out there and you want a great job, he is it. I'm gonna show you some of his jobs, so without further delay, Jerry, what is up, man?
What's up?
Been a long time since we've seen you. What have you been up to, man?
Yeah, just painting some bikes.
Paints. Let's show these guys what you've been painting. What is this right here we're gonna show them?
So right here is a buddy of mine. It's a 2003 Softail.
Nice. I am loving that color. What is it?
This is Orion Silver from House of Color, and it's got a teal candy over it.
Oh my God, fellas, can you see that on that shine on there? I'm gonna zoom all the way around it and let you check it out. Looking crazy. So what does this paint job have that others don't?
Well, this still has to get pinstriped, so I will sand down this clear coat, do a pinstripe, and then it gets re-cleared and then wet sand and buffed.
Nice. It'll look even more amazing. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But if your painters' jobs don't come out looking like this, I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. It is awesome. Let's do a shine. Let's get the light out and let's shine it on there and check out the metallic flakes in there just to let these guys know how we do it here. Oh my God. Hopefully you guys can see that, but you can see the flakes as he runs that light across there. Looking absolutely amazing. What we got on the floor right here?
This is a brand new set of Bad Dad fenders to go with this bike.
All right, shout out to Bad Dad fenders right there. Looking awesome. As you guys see, he hit that with that silver and gray and green. What is that green called again?
It's teal.
Teal. All right.
Teal. House of Color teal.
All right. Looks amazing. Let me know what you think in the comments below, but it looks crazy right now. So what else do you got to do to this before you're done?
It's just get sanded down with 1,000 grit sandpaper, cleaned off, and then I'll do the pinstripe, unmask everything, and then re-clear it.
What is your turnaround time for your paint jobs?
So far I've had this bike about a week, but I'd give it probably 2 to 3 weeks for a full bike paint job.
That is awesome right there. That is awesome. 2 or 3 weeks, you can have your bike back looking amazing, ready to rock. It is that time to check out an update on the Roadstar Warrior.
It's Feet Kills.
Original, puffing on me. We're back inside the booth. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that Softail paint job. It is absolutely amazing. But right now, it is Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Jerry, tell them what we got up here. What do we got?
So this is the custom exhaust I made for the Warrior, and I also offer ceramic coating.
Ceramic. So what process did you go through to get these pipes to look like this? Guys, I'm gonna zoom in and you can see that looks absolutely amazing. These pipes were beat to shit, but you got them back together. Tell us, what did you do?
So after everything's welded together, grinded smooth, it's just sandblasted, and then I just spray the ceramic coating on there. Nice. And then this is an air dry ceramic coat, so it just sits for 24 hours, and then it's ready to go.
That's good, man. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below, but these pipes are ready to go. They are gonna be mean. Now, it wouldn't be right if we didn't come in and show you guys the gas tank. We are almost finished with this. You know we're building that 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Jerry, tell us what's left to do with that right there.
So this still needs buffed. It's all wet sanded, wet sanded smooth, and then I'm just in the process of buffing it.
Man, that is gonna look amazing. Roadstar Warrior in the house. Let me know what you think about these paint jobs, but man, it is wet as it can get. That ceramic coat on those exhausts. If you are looking to get your pipes done up, he is the master. What is the turnaround time for the pipes to get done?
It actually takes 5 days for these to fully cure, so you're looking about 2 weeks.
2 weeks?
Send it to the sandblaster, get it back, and then to coat them and let them fully cure.
Yes, sir.
You can have them back.
Yes, sir. So where can they reach you at real quick? Just shout out to JLH Choppers, by the way. Where can they reach you at?
JLH_choppers on Instagram and JLHchoppers.com.
Nicely done. Go to his site. He's also selling all kinds of stuff on there. Guys, what else do you have on your site?
I sell stuff like seats, wheels, tires. Actually, I have white wall tires in stock right now. They're on sale. You got a little bit of some of everything on there. Definitely get to the site, guys. It is going to be crazy if you want that bike to look like this. We are inside of the shop right now. He has got the console cover right there for the Road Glide. Jerry, tell him what you're gonna do to really make that Road Glide console cover look good. What are you gonna do to get it together? So we're actually gonna paint this gloss black. I don't do any powder coating here. Everything is paint. So I have a special paint that's made by House of Color that I prep this with, and the paint will stick.
All right, we are back, guys. You see, we are in the shop right now. He has got everything in there. He's even got a milling machine over there. If you guys know about that, he can take metal and do damn near anything with it. It is crazy in here. Right, what do we got right here? What is this?
That's my buddy's 03 Road Glide.
Road Glide, nice.
It's in here for a custom paint job.
All right, 03 was a good year for the Road Glide. So you've got all the bags and everything all ready to go. Look at that. He's got everything all set up and ready to go. Do you know what color it's going to be yet?
I haven't really decided on a color yet.
Okay.
Also going to do some custom fabricating on this bike that I'm not going to tell you about. You have to wait and see.
Definitely wait. We will update everybody on what you do with that. But guys, so let's walk around a little bit further and let's see what we got. Man, what is this massive thing right here?
So this is a Pro Street frame that I bought a year ago.
Okay.
It's got a 80-inch Evo motor in it.
Okay, so the Evo in there is nice. All right.
6-speed.
Okay. So,
transmission.
Man, what the hell is this right here? Fellas, can you see the craziness back here? What size tire is that?
That's a V-Rubber 310.
And that shit
it's about
is
13
huge.
inches wide.
Oh my gosh. So is this going to be a custom build again?
Yeah, this will be a full custom build. This is not for sale.
So is that fender going to be able to, how are you going to show these guys what are we doing with that?
Yeah,
That's gonna look amazing right there.
I buy these fenders from a company called Twisted Choppers. They make the best fenders in the game.
Twisted Choppers, what's up? Show us some love on the channel.
And this, they actually don't make it wide enough to fit this bike, so I ordered it unwelded.
Okay.
And I'll widen it.
So are you gonna weld that?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's gonna be a custom job. All right. So what do we got right there? Oh my God! Are those taillights?
Yep.
Those are cool, man. That is gonna go on the build. Fellas, we are gonna show you the build that is gonna go on. It is mail day. He is excited. We just got some new mail, so we're checking all of it out. Now you got, you didn't get it in chrome. Oh, let me know what the comments below. Do you like the black or the chrome better? But I am digging, I like the chrome. I don't know. We might have to pull them both out and see. Can you pull the black one back out real quick? Would you go, these are the tail lights. What would you go with, the black or the chrome? I don't know right now, toss up. I like both. I might go with the black right now. It just depends on what builds you have. But let me know in the comments below what you would go with.
This is going to be the new seat for the Sportster Bobber.
Okay, for the Sportster. We got to show them the Sportster right now. It's going to be a custom build. So let them see the seat first, and then we got to let them know about this custom bike that you are getting together right now. Show them the seat. Let me see if I'm digging that. Okay. Loving that. Is going to be a bobber seat.
Yep.
All right, I'm loving that. Gonna look so let's tell them about the custom build right here. It's gonna be, what year is this? Is a Sportster, right?
Yeah, it's a 98.
98 Sportster.
Sportster 883, but it's got a 1200 kit in it.
Nice. Where are my Sportster guys at right here? This is gonna be sweet. Man, what are you gonna do to this thing, man? Let us know.
So it's gonna be a solo seat, just a little bobber. I got a Sportster high mount tank that's going on here.
That'll be awesome.
I'm gonna custom build forward controls, custom build an exhaust.
What motor are you gonna put in here?
It's 1200.
Okay, right there. Okay. That's gonna look crazy right there. Fellas, let me know if you can see how that's gonna come together. That's gonna look nice, man. Have you thought of a color that you're gonna paint the bike yet, or it's still up in the air?
Yeah, the color's still up in the air. I don't know what. It's gonna be a crazy paint job though, whatever I pick.
Nice, gonna be nice. What are you gonna do to this front wheel? What are we gonna do with that?
I have a brand new front wheel and tire.
So you're gonna actually put, and you guys gotta wait. Stay tuned for the new front wheel and tire. It is gonna look amazing. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on that, but I want you to go to his website and check out, what else do you got on the website?
I try to sell parts on my website. Most of these parts are available.
Green light means go. It is time to put a wrap on today's video. It was an awesome day. I was able to get you guys an update on the 2004 Yamaha Roadstar Warrior. Also, we continue to customize that Road Glide, and I hope you enjoyed JLH choppers and those custom paint jobs. Hey, I'm gonna keep throwing this content at you. All I need you guys to do is support the channel. So until next time, keep those two wheels down. Hey.